Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake that people often make can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Tahoe or Chevy Suburban, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2020. If you have one of those, if you need to find where fuses and relays for the throttle body or throttle position sensor, also guys, where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way do not waste money and time, or that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure you stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them guys completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork guys, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays as well guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. We'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So the throttle body and the throttle position sensor, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban right here. Now, both of these vehicles guys are practically built on the same platform, so it should apply to both, with the main difference being the Chevy Tahoe is a little bit shorter. And by the way guys, there will be 5 different hidden fuse boxes all over the SUV that most people do not know they exist. That's okay, that's why we made special video on our YouTube channel. That's called Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. We need to go ahead and open the hood. Facing the engine on the right side, you get to a fuse box that's on the driver's side. You see that cover, open it, and you're going to find the main engine fuse box that's easy to access. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you will lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here guys, what we need to check. We need to check many engine management fuses. There is limited information exactly what they're for, but if you have problems with throttle body or throttle position sensor, check these fuses. We will also talk about how you can test throttle body too. Make sure you stay until the end. Or throttle position sensor. First, you need to check fuse number 74, that fuse right here. Then you need to check fuse 87, 88, 89, 90, and 91. All these fuses will need to be checked. Then you need to check relay 92, fuse 100, 101, and 102, which is a double 15 amp fuse. That's 2 fuses in one. It's known as micro 3-blade fuse. They're hard to find and expensive. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. That way do not waste your money guys. By the way, if you want to see how to test throttle body or how to test throttle position sensor, we will have the videos on our YouTube channels that will teach you how to do that. In a few minutes you'll be able to find out if they're good. That way you do not need to buy parts you don't need and waste your money guys. So guys, I want to show you now something. Okay, check this thing out. You have all different kinds of fuses. Fuses, relays, circuit breakers, something that could be really hard to find, and if you're in the middle of nowhere, you don't have a replacement one, you may end up being stuck guys in the middle of nowhere, or they can be seriously overpriced. So what we do, we usually buy some spare ones, we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.